Hi, I'm Susan Logan, editor of Cat Fancy and Cat Channel.
And I'm assistant editor Lindsay Hanks. Recently, we had the opportunity to visit Shambhala Preserve for exotic cats.
For more than 30 years, legendary movie star and animal welfare advocate Tippi Hedren has rescued, cared for, and provided sanctuary for big cats born in captivity.
Watch as she shares her personal experiences with these cats.
And learn how we all can work together to ensure a brighter future for the big cats, our domestic cats cousins. To read more about Tippi Hedren's work, pick up the November 2007 issue of Cat Fancy.
See you next time on the Cat Channel.